Renegade Health Show. How are you guys doing today? I wanted to let you know that unfortunately Kevin won't be on the show. He's working on some other projects, and so I kind of took the camera from him and decided that I was going to do the show on my own. I also have to let you know that I haven't been feeling too well lately. Actually, I feel well. I have this stuffy nose, and my throat has been a little bit sore. And you can probably hear it in my voice right now. But I just want to let you know that it happens to the best of us. You know, you think that your diet is so perfect and so great, and I have to say that my diet has not been the best over the holiday season. I know that I've eaten more than I should have, and I know that I've probably made some poor choices that I normally wouldn't do any other time. And this, I think, is part of, you know, me feeling this way is part of what that was. It's also, I think, telling me that, you know, there's something else that I need to give back to my body that I haven't been, and really taking the time to listen to it. So it's been nice being up here in Vermont, and actually this morning we woke up to a winter wonderland, just absolutely beautiful snowing, and it's been really nice to take in the nature and give my body what it's needed. I also wanted to share with you what I've been doing to kind of get myself back up to par with the limited resources that I have right now. We're not actually at that house anymore. We were there the last couple nights, but we decided to stay one extra night in Vermont, and we didn't have the house for another night, so we just got a hotel room. So, sorry for the in the kitchen show. It's not actually in a kitchen, but that's okay, right? We can work around that. A friend of mine, Heather, who you guys are, I'm sure, familiar with, she used to help us out with booking events, made this for me once, and I fell in love with it. And this isn't going to be exactly what she made, but I'll explain that. And I fell in love with it, and it's just something, it's such a feel-good drink when you're not feeling so great. What it is she takes hot water and lemon juice and ginger juice, blends it up with a little bit of honey and some cayenne. It's such a warming drink. It feels so good when you're not feeling the best, and it's a great way to kind of open up your sinuses from the cayenne pepper, and also really warm your insides from the ginger and the cayenne. Unfortunately, right now I don't have a Vitamix set up, and I didn't juice my lemon, but I do have some hot tea, and I'm brewing a little bit of echinacea here, and a lemon. So, and I'll share the recipe down below with you guys of what Heather always concocts for me. But I'm just gonna squeeze some lemon in here. I don't even have a knife. So I'm gonna squeeze some lemon in my tea. Yum. Try to get it all in there. And then I have some ginger. I'm going to pop that right in there, also in my tea, and let that steep a little bit longer. But what you can do at home is just take a full lemon. You don't even have to juice it. Just take a full lemon, blend it up with some hot water. Probably one full lemon to like an inch of ginger. You want a lot of ginger because that ginger is really going to get things going. And a little bit of honey. I'm actually using, right now it's a blend. It's Honey Gardens, which is a local company, and I'm actually really enjoying it. It's an elderberry syrup with honey in it. I'm just going to put a little bit of that in my tea to sweeten it up a little bit, and the elderberries are really good to help increase your immune system. Native Americans used to use elderberries a lot. So that's my little concoction, but I really want to know what your concoction is. Like, what do you guys do when you're not feeling so hot? What are the best things that have worked for you in the past? Post it down below. Share some recipes. Share some ideas, because I know every now and again someone, you know, does get quote-unquote sick. I don't really want to call it sick, but, you know, gets run down, and I think we can all help each other. So let's share some ideas and help each other out. Together we can help change the health of the world, one show at a time.